Ever wondered why so many people can't start their day without a cup of coffee? Well, it's not just about the caffeine kick. Turns out, that cup of joe might actually be doing wonders for your health. We're talking potential long-term benefits here, people. So, if you're curious about why that morning cup of coffee might be doing more than just waking you up, stick around. Let's start with the obvious: coffee wakes you up. But here's the cool part. Coffee's benefits go way beyond just a quick pick-me-up. Studies have shown that coffee drinkers might have a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Some research suggests that coffee could potentially reduce the risk of developing Alzheimer's and Parkinson's diseases. Coffee is packed with antioxidants, those little superheroes that fight off harmful free radicals in your body. Now, I know what you're thinking. This is too good to be true. What's the catch? Well, like with all good things in life, moderation is key. So, next time you're sipping on your coffee, remember, you're not just enjoying a delicious drink, you're potentially giving your body a health boost. Okay, I know what you're thinking, June. You're a great storyteller, but I need some hard evidence. And you're right, we need science. Harvard Medical School has done extensive research on coffee and its effects on our health. According to a study published by Harvard Health Publishing, moderate coffee consumption, that's about 3 to 5 cups a day for most adults, is linked to a lower risk of several chronic diseases. Now, I'm not saying that drinking coffee alone will make you invincible, but it's pretty amazing to see that there's legitimate scientific backing for the health benefits of coffee. Of course, more research is always being done, but it's reassuring to know that our favorite morning beverage might actually be good for us. So there you have it, folks. Harvard, the coffee lover's unofficial best friend. Okay, so we've established that coffee can be good for you, but like with all good things, moderation is key. You wouldn't eat a whole cake in one sitting, would you? Unless it's your birthday, then maybe. The same logic applies to coffee. Too much coffee can lead to anxiety, insomnia, and those dreaded caffeine jitters. Pay attention to how your body reacts. If you find yourself feeling extra anxious or having trouble sleeping, it's probably a sign to cut back. Factors like your metabolism, body mass, and caffeine sensitivity can all play a role in how your body processes coffee. Remember, your health is a priority, so it's always best to err on the side of caution. Now that we've covered the health benefits and precautions, let's talk about everyone's favorite part: actually drinking the coffee. First things first, water temperature. The ideal brewing temperature for coffee is between 195 to 205 degrees Fahrenheit. Using water that's too hot can over-extract the coffee, resulting in a bitter taste. Too cold, and you'll end up with a weak and disappointing brew. Next up, coffee to water ratio. A good starting point is a 1:16 ratio, which translates to about 1 tablespoon of coffee for every 8 ounces of water. Now let's talk about brewing methods. From the classic French press to the sleek pour-over, there are countless ways to brew coffee. Experiment with different methods to find your favorite. And don't forget about the beans. The quality of your coffee beans can make or break your brewing experience. Freshly roasted beans will always yield the most flavorful cup. Finally, take your time and enjoy the process. Brewing coffee is an art form, so savor the aroma, the slow pour, and the anticipation of that first sip. So there you have it, coffee lovers. We've explored the incredible health benefits, debunked some myths, and even learned how to brew the perfect cup. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. And be sure to share this video with your fellow coffee enthusiasts so they can join in on the fun. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite coffee brewing method is and what you like to add to your cup of joe. Until next time, keep on brewing, my friends. So we've learned that coffee in moderation can actually have some pretty awesome health benefits, thanks in part to the research done by institutions like Harvard Medical School. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great content. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Now go brew yourself a delicious cup of coffee and have a fantastic day.